Hello, hello, my beautiful people. This is my first Thanksgiving in America. I am celebrating with my family. We are cooking food, dancing, laughing, and having fun. I am so excited to eat the traditional Thanksgiving food. I can't wait for the turkey, potatoes, peas, and everything else. I am just a kitchen helper, but I enjoy it. I like being in the kitchen with my family and making happy memories. So let's go to the kitchen. Happy Thanksgiving.